Hey, VIKISHUB here. So I wanted to show you guys how I achieved this design. As you can see, I already completed it. I wasn't able to film it, but I wanted to show you guys because it's really simple, as well as this design. So all you'll be needing is a hot applicator wand, and a hot fixed toner. So I'm gonna leave a link as to Amazon site. I purchased it from Amazon so that you guys can check it out in case you're interested. So I'm gonna show you guys using the back of the t-shirt. Basically all I did was take the stone and then start arranging it as I want. I didn't use a stencil and all that because I was comfortable just arranging it randomly, but you can use a stencil to first of all trace it and then start placing the stone accordingly. So but I just placed the design, I just placed the stones without the stencil and made out the shape. Alright, so once you're done with the shape you want to achieve or the pattern, you have to plug in the hot fix wand. Then once it's heated, you have to wait for some time, but you have to be really careful because this can get really hot. And just start placing it, and when you place it on, don't just take it out immediately. Wait for at least for some seconds to make sure that the glue underneath the stone is being activated, and that's basically it. So that was how I was able to achieve this design. I hope you guys understand.